Okay, hello, good day. This is another lesson, and we're going to continue from where we ended the other time. We learned about how to do copy and paste in our previous lesson. Today, we're going to learn about how to save a work and also some one or two other things that needs to be understood. So let's go back to our work. This is where we ended the other time. This is my keyboard, and my menu has been minimized. Can bring it back. So this is where we ended the other time. Now my work has not been saved, and so if I'm to close this Microsoft Word right now, I'm going to lose it. So I need to save this work. In order for me to save this work, the shortcut is Control plus S. Control plus S. Control S is going to save this work. One thing you have to know, or you need to know about your work, is that anytime you save it, the name will appear at the top here. You see right now at the top here, my mouse is hovering over what has been written over here, and the name is document 1. As soon as I save my work, it is going to change to the name I used to save my work. The name I used to save my work. So without wasting my time, let me go to my keyboard and try and save this work, and let's see. Most of the times when we are saving our work, we may be saving it onto our PC or our laptop, or other times you may be using another person's laptop, so you may want to save it onto your pen drive directly. If you are doing it both ways, we are going to look at how to do it. So my shortcut is Control. As I click on my Control, then whilst my hand is on it, you see, because I'm using the mouse, as soon as I click it, it is not going to be released. Then I have to add S to it. If you are using your fingers to press it, make sure one of your fingers is on the Control whilst the other finger press on the S, so that it is going to save. As soon as I click Control S right now, it is going to open a box for me indicating where I want to save the work. So let's go again. This is my work. I want to save this work. So Control S, and it is going to open where do I want to save this work. So now you see that's open where I can save my work. But there is a case you don't know where you save your work. The truth is, initially it has been said to always save your work to My Document. There is a folder on the laptop called My Document from Windows 7 and Document from Windows 10. So you will see at the left hand side here, you see a lot of folders and shortcuts over here. One is called Documents. That is where the work is going to be saved. Every document that you work on in Microsoft Word will automatically be saved in Documents, unless you have created your folder somewhere that you want to save into that folder. We will learn how to create a folder in our next video, so don't worry if you don't know how to create a folder. So as soon as you get to Document or My Document, if you are saving it onto your laptop and you don't have any plans of saving it into your folder, you can just rename it over here. So I'm going to name my work, and as soon as I type my work, sorry, let me use the keyboard to type for you guys to see what I was doing. As soon as I type my work and I press enter, it gets saved. Now look at something over here. At the top here, you see it used to be Document 1. Now it has changed to My Work .docx. That is so my work name plus the docx, meaning that my work which is being made with Microsoft Word. Okay, so that is all for those who be saving their work onto their laptop. Now let's go to those who be saving their work onto their PC, their pen drives and other things. Because I've already saved it, I wouldn't get a chance if I use Control S. It is not going to respond anymore. So if you are saving it, or you saved it onto your laptop and you want to save it onto your pen drive again, you have to go to the top corner here. The top corner here. So the top corner here. You see this blue area with the name file over here. You have to click on it. As soon as you click on it, you get an option. You get an option. Choose the save as option. As soon as you choose the save as option, it will give you the opportunity to save it one more time to a different location. So save as, and it is going to open again for me. Now this time we are still in the document area. The first work I saved is this. But this time I'm not going to save it in my document area again. I already have my pen drive connected. So I click on this PC, then I check on my drives. I think all my drives are full. This is my pen drive. This is my pen drive. I have a lot of stuff on my pen drive, but anyway, this is my pen drive. So I'm just going to save onto my pen drive. So if you want to save onto your pen drive, as soon as it opens to my document, click on this PC. You can see it up here, or you can just go to the sideways and click on this PC over here. All the same, is going to bring you to this area where you see your hard drive, the number of hard drives you have, and your connected devices and all that. Then you choose the pen drive name, or the pen drive you want to, or the storage area you want to save it to. Then you just click on it. Then you just double click on it and it is going to open for you. As soon as it opens for you, if you are saving it just here, you can do that. If you are saving it just here, you can do that. Or if you want to save it somewhere else, you can do that. After you are done, just click enter on your keyboard, and that is all. It has been saved to my pen drive as well. So I think I have to open my pen drive and check my pen drive whether it has been saved. Okay, so the name of my pen drive is, let me check, this PC. The name of my pen drive is, okay, so you can see my work here, so the work has been saved onto my pen drive. Okay, so let's go back to our work. The other thing I want us to talk about is how to number your page. Sometimes you do the work and the numbering alone is going to be a headache for you. So I'm making this tutorial for us to know how to number our pages. To number your pages, you have to go up to the menu in Microsoft Word. Look at the top here. We have home, we have insert, we have page layout, we have referencing, we have mailing, we have review, we have view. We will talk about all of them one after the other. Let's talk about the page numbers first, and after that we come back to the home and talk about the home. The page numbering can be found or can be seen at the insert option. As soon as you see insert, then you look through, you see somewhere here we've written header and footer, or wherever you are going to see your header and footer, you are also going to see page number over here. So just click on the arrow pointing down, and it is going to give you more options for you to choose the style you want your page numbering to appear on your work. So you can do it like this. Okay, you can choose the top of the page and it is going to appear at the top of your page. You can choose the bottom of the page, you can choose the page margin and all that, but officially we use the bottom of the page. And with the bottom of the page we choose the second option. We choose the second option because that is the official one, where the number is at the center of the bottom of the page. So that is what I'm going to choose. And as soon as I choose, let me lift my mouse here and my keyboard here, and you will see it has appeared here. You see number 1. So if you are done with it, just double click inside your page and it is going to take effect. If I type something and I type enter for several times for me to move to the next page, you will see that as the page goes on, page 2 has come, page 3 is here. So it will start numbering automatically. If I have also done so many pages that have not numbered and I want to number them, the first thing I have to do is start from the first page and choose the insert page number option. The options here, choose the right one, and it is going to apply to all of them. It is going to apply to all of them. So that is how to set your page number. Those who will also be working on your preface, it is the same procedure we use to set the IV numbering. It is the same procedure. What we do that makes it a little bit different is that when you select the page numbering, you select format page numbers, and it is going to give you an option to select the style you want to choose. So the number format, when you drop this arrow, you are going to see ABCD. Sometimes we number pages with ABCD, sometimes we number pages with 1, 2, 3, sometimes we do it the Roman numerals. So you can use the Roman numerals if you are doing your preface, and you can use the 1, 2, 3 when you are doing your chapters. So if I select this one right now and I click OK, you see now it has taken effect on my work. You can see from here it has taken effect on my work. We have I here and we have I here, so it has taken effect. If you want to change it, just go there, format page numbers, then change it back to 1, 2, 3, and after that you just click OK, and it is going to change back to the 1, 2, 3 we know. Okay, so this is where we end. Don't worry, I'll be coming very shortly with another tutorial on other topics. I also want to remind you that I know as you are watching these tutorials, you also have a question in mind. Don't worry, just leave the questions you have in mind in the comment box below on the channel you are watching. Just give your comments and I'll make a lesson or I'll make a tutorial on your questions you are giving to. Okay, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button so that when new lessons are released, you also get the opportunity to enjoy and learn from them. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.